Damn. Almost lost it there because of your burp. Yeah. Hang on. Now all we need is someone to do another burp, and that'd be funny.
Come on, burp with us.
No.
Damn it. Damn it.
Blake is knocked out.
Hang on.
Hey, VC.
Oh, damn. Hang on. Welcome back, Ivana.
Come back. Those wieners are almost done, by the way.
Hey, Beavis. He said winner.
Yeah, I heard it too. Damn it.
Holy shit. Damn, dude.
I still got stuff coming up with the first one. Not even the second one.
Okay, I chugged most of this. Just now. I don't know how I do those long ones, it just happens. What? It's the beer that does it to me. The power of Coors Light from the Rockies. Hang on, I got another one coming.
I'll get ready to check the rest of the soda, bro.
I'm getting ready to chug the rest of my beer out of this second can. Hang on. Ah, damn it.
Because once I start chugging, I ain't gonna stop, especially with this little bit that's left.
Holy shit. How much you got left? Damn. I can't chug pop. I can't chug pop for shit.
Yeah, you see them, but I see dimples. So, equal. Nine inches of hell.
Oh, that was just a little one. Damn it. Hang on, I got another one coming. After I drink this thing. Alright, beer number 2's gone. gonna take me a second. Ah, damn it. Vic, you can go ahead and start chugging the rest. I'm out. I'm out of beer. In this can. I'm not gonna go grab a third. Damn. I feel small.
Alrighty, last chug.
Alright.
Last chug, here it goes.
He's going. He's going.
9 inches of hell.
You just had to do that, didn't you, Ivana? Holy shit. Damn. Holy shit. Ah, shit. Hang on. Hold on. Oh, man. Alright, I'm out.
She burped.